Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to change or how to reset your password on Plenty of Fish dating app. Now first of all, open your web browser and type in Plenty of Fish on the search bar or www.pof.com, and after that it will send you to the official website of Plenty of Fish. Now as you can see here, I've searched Plenty of Fish on the search bar. Now clicking on this link, that is pof.com, and it will take me to this official website. Now to change its password, as you can see here, go to my profile that is on the top bar of this website and click on edit profile. Now after clicking on edit profile, it has taken me to this web page. Now scroll down a little bit and as you can see in the right side of this web page saying change your password. Now click on change, and as you can see here, to change your password you need to put your old password here and your new password and confirm new password. So I'm gonna put my old password here and put a new password and confirming that new password and hit change. Now as you can see here, my password has been changed successfully, and that's how you change or you reset your password on Plenty of Fish dating app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.